Every fruit on a supermarket shelf has a journey. From orchards and farms to modern factories, transportation, and finally your shopping basket. Technology connects every step. The journey begins in orchards, where farmers carefully grow apples, oranges, peaches, and many other fruits under controlled agricultural conditions. Modern farming combines human experience with advanced machinery, helping farmers harvest large quantities of fruit efficiently while protecting quality and reducing waste. Before harvesting, workers examine fruits for ripeness, color, size, and visible damage. Only properly matured fruit is selected for the next stage. Some farms now use specialized harvesting machines designed to collect fruit efficiently while minimizing bruising and physical damage during the harvest. Freshly harvested fruit is carefully placed into food-grade containers. Proper handling at this stage is essential because damaged fruit can spoil much faster. The harvested fruit is then transported to processing facilities, often using temperature-controlled trucks to help preserve freshness during the journey. At the factory, trucks arrive at dedicated receiving areas. Workers and forklifts carefully unload the fruit and prepare it for inspection and processing. Quality control specialists inspect incoming fruit to check its condition, freshness, appearance, and suitability for different processing operations. Automated weighing systems measure incoming quantities accurately. This information helps factories control production, manage inventory, and maintain consistent processing. High-speed conveyor systems move thousands of fruits through optical sorting machines. Cameras and sensors analyze size, shape, color, and other characteristics. Advanced machine vision can identify bruised, damaged, or unsuitable fruit within fractions of a second, automatically separating it from higher quality produce. The selected fruit enters industrial washing systems. Clean water and specialized brushes remove soil and natural surface debris while protecting the fruit. Powerful but carefully controlled water sprays wash every surface as the fruit moves through the cleaning tunnel, preparing it for further processing. After washing, fruit may undergo a controlled sanitation step designed to reduce microorganisms and support food safety under carefully monitored conditions. Filtered air then removes excess surface moisture. Rapid drying helps prepare the fruit for sorting, cutting, packaging, or other processing stages. Automated grading systems divide fruit into different size and quality categories, ensuring that products are consistent and suitable for their intended purpose. Robotic systems can gently move individual fruits between production stages. Their precision helps increase efficiency while reducing unnecessary handling and damage. Apples can follow specialized processing lines where they are cleaned, sorted, prepared, sliced, packaged, or transformed into other commercial products. Oranges often enter dedicated citrus lines, where automated equipment cleans and prepares them before extracting their juice or producing other fruit products. For many products, machines carefully peel and cut selected fruits. Precision equipment creates uniform pieces while keeping the production environment hygienic. Industrial slicers can transform large quantities of fruit into evenly sized pieces within seconds, maintaining consistent shape and thickness throughout production. For citrus fruits, powerful automated presses separate fresh juice from the fruit. The resulting liquid flows through hygienic stainless steel processing equipment. The extracted juice may pass through filtration systems that remove unwanted particles while maintaining the natural characteristics required for the finished product. Fruit pulp can also be processed separately. Controlled mixing and separation systems prepare it for juices, purees, desserts, sauces, and other food products. Some fruit is simply cleaned, cut, and packaged as fresh-cut produce. The goal is to deliver convenient products while maintaining freshness and food safety. Other fruit pieces are rapidly frozen. Fast freezing helps preserve quality and allows fruit to remain available long after the original harvest season. Freeze-drying uses controlled low temperatures and reduced pressure to remove water from fruit. This creates lightweight products while preserving much of their structure and flavor. Some processed fruits are placed into food-grade cans using automated filling equipment. The containers are then processed and sealed to provide long-term shelf stability. Fresh-cut fruit is placed into clean containers and sealed automatically. Precise packaging helps protect the product during transportation and retail handling. Fresh fruit juice travels through high-speed bottling lines, where bottles are filled to controlled levels and sealed before moving toward final inspection. Before leaving the factory, automated cameras inspect packages for visible defects and packaging problems. Unsuitable products can be automatically removed from the line. Technology is supported by human expertise. Food specialists inspect samples and monitor quality, safety, and production standards throughout the process. Finished products may enter refrigerated warehouses, where carefully controlled temperatures help maintain freshness and quality until distribution. Modern distribution centers increasingly use autonomous machines and automated systems to move pallets efficiently, reducing handling time and improving warehouse organization. When products are ready for delivery, workers and automated equipment load pallets into refrigerated trucks, carefully organizing products for transportation. Temperature-controlled transportation helps protect perishable fruit products as they travel from processing facilities toward distribution centers and supermarkets. At large distribution centers, products are sorted and organized before being sent to individual stores according to demand and delivery schedules. Refrigerated trucks finally reach supermarkets. Workers unload the products and move them into storage or directly toward the retail area. Now the journey reaches the consumer. Fresh fruit, packaged products, and juices are displayed for shoppers, ready to become part of everyday meals. What looks like a simple piece of fruit represents an enormous network of farmers, machines, scientists, food specialists, factories, trucks, warehouses, and retailers working together. From a fruit growing beneath the sun to a finished product on a supermarket shelf, modern technology connects the entire journey. This is how fruit travels from farm to supermarket.